Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening and welcome back everybody. I'm your host Inayatullah, and today we extend a warm and honorable invitation to a scholar who has been at the forefront of global attention for his unwavering dedication and exceptional achievements, which have just not shaped his respective domains but have also inspired countless individuals worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, bring your energy up and put your hand together to welcome the Vice Chancellor of Darul Huda Islamic University, Dr. Muhammad Bahauddin Nadwi. Let's give a big hand for him. Welcome, sir. Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
Welcome to our show. It's an extraordinary honor to have a guest like you on our show.
It's my pleasure.
Mr. Bahauddin Muhammad Nadwi, Mr. Bahauddin Muhammad Nadwi, I'm a student of your own university and you are the Chancellor. It's a great opportunity for me to be with him. Thank you again for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you.
As we all know that currently in our campus, in our university, the SIBAG is going on. So there are so many questions. Mr. Bahauddin Muhammad Nadwi, don't you think that SIBAG is a type of distraction from the studies because there are too many leaves for SIBAGs and the students are preparing, leaving their periods of classes. Don't you think that is type of distraction?
As far as I concern that, in my opinion, absolutely it never distract the students with their real path, with the straight path of Islam. Whenever prophets and our ummah said to make the people, make the students between a distraction, between some programs, enable them. And like that we are doing the straight path of our prophet.
But sir, you are saying that you are running in the path of Sunnah, in the path of Prophet, but there are too many people in Kerala also say that Dr. Bahauddin Muhammad Nadwi or Dawla is distract from the way of Islam, from the way of Sunnah. They are not working on the path of Sunnah. So how could you address that?
Look, absolutely we are not good, we are not distract with the real path, the path of Islam. We absolutely not distract. We are going on the straight path with teaching us, our students teaching us their straight path, Islamic sides and education, modern education, both education we are giving
But
them.
what about those people who are saying, are those saying, those spreading the fake news?
Yes, some people are also saying like that. I want to clear that they all are feeling jealousy with the Islamic University.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, to clear our doubts. And nowadays, the world is going to be a modern world and technological world. But in this time also, our university is coming in one of the last universities in technology. So don't you think to bring technology in our university and develop our university by bringing technology?
Yes, we want to develop our Darul Huda Islamic University gradually. We are doing as much as possible we can. But we are not doing it directly because there are some harmful effects for our students, so we are gradually making
Sir,
it.
you are saying that there can be some harmful effects, but the big universities in the world like Cambridge, Oxford universities are bringing and developing their artificial intelligence and the technology in their universities, and they are going to be successful. So how could you say that bringing technology can't help the students?
Look, as you talking about the big universities, Oxford University. So our Darul Huda Islamic University is coming on the not last position, coming on the medium position, which gives the Islamic and modern education. So we have gradually make our society, our Islamic, in this university, we give some technological items, some digital items to make our Islamic university perfect.
So are you going to bring technology, develop technology in our university in some years?
Yes, of course. We
Okay,
are.
it's so nice and I'm waiting for it especially.
Thank
So,
you.
sir, I want to say that and a big question to you that there are students who often used to leave this university. In the national students, especially the national students used to leave this university. So how could you stop the leaving of the student from this university?
It is hard to say, but most of the students leave this university because they have their different passion, they have
Okay.
different ambition, they have different goals.
So why, sir, why you are not bringing their ambitions, their goals to our university?
We are making it, but there are too many areas. We are the technological item, digital item. Some are wanted to go in different areas like technology, software engineers. We are giving the on two things: Islamic and modern education.
Okay.
So students and students who are living this, they have to focus on it. They have to focus on a specific area.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And that's our time. So, as we are going to wrap up this show here, this episode here, but remember, we'll back again with another renowned personality discussing another prominent issue in the another enlightening episode of our show, Good Day India Talk Show. Until then,